You can't afford to overlook the power of digital marketing. Create a successful marketing campaign step by step. Step 1. Start by setting clear goals. Brand awareness. Generate leads. Promote a specific property. Step 2. Know your audience. Demographics. Interests. Behaviors. Factors define your ideal clients. Data guides campaign. Step 3. Choose the right platform. Platforms where your audience hang out. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Step 4. Create engaging content. Share your listings, photos and videos. Share client testimonials. Share informative posts. Engage audience. Step 5. Consider paid advertising to boost your reach. Facebook ads and Google ads are highly effective. Step 6. Optimize for SEO. Optimize website and listings for search engines. Step 7. Email marketing. Send newsletters, property updates, personalized messages. Step 8. Monitor and adjust. Campaign performances. Track what's working. Make adjustments. Step 9. Build relationships. Respond to comments, messages, reviews. Building relationships is the key to success. Step 10. Measure return on investment. Leads generated closed deals because of digital efforts. Consistency and adaptation are keys to success. Ready to get started?